up mga Nepo babies? It's your makulit na Nepo baby Jeline, and we're back for another day, another adventure at Nepo Center. And today, you're coming with me with a day in the life of a Nepo baby. And for today, pupunta tayo sa most awaited part ng July, which is the Quad Sundown! Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, let's go! Excited na ulit ako mabudol. And and alam niyo yun, like, ang dami po kay finds doon. So, let's see! So, ano din pala guys, tuwing gabi dito, may market dyan. Daan na siya every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, if gutom kayo and gusto nyo ng hangout spot ng friends nyo, visit New Point. Comment down below, ano yung usual finds nyo sa mga flea market na ganito. And, we'll be reading your comments. So guys, dito na tayo sa Quad. And nakikita mo dito, Quad Sundown! Woo! And today, maghahanap tayo ng mga sulit finds dito sa Nepo Quad. And syempre, flea market to. For Budel, to the max tayo niyan. Ito na nga. Hala, sino yun? Hala, sino yun? OMG, totoo ba to? Guys, let's welcome our newest Nepo baby! Rinya!
Hi guys! What's up, Nepo babies? It's your newest and fresh Nepo baby, and we are here at the Quad Sundown at the Quad at Nepo Center.
Few moments later.
Rinya, balita ko marami pa daw tayong ganap today.
Totoo yan, Jeline, and mayroon tayong makakasamang special guest for today's video, ang ating dalawang project head for today's event. Drumroll please. Let's welcome Mr. Kian Sabogero and Miss Kat Dimaunan.
Quad Sundown!
Welcome to Quad
Hi,
Sundown.
guys.
So Kian, how's your experience so far for today's event?
Experience, ayun, from planning, nakaka-stress siya, pero ngayon na nakikita mo na yung actual na nangyayari, yung lahat ng pinlano mo, lahat ng pinrepair mo, nakikita mo na siya ngayon, nangyayari, ganun, and nakikita mo yung dami ng mga tao, yung saya ng mga tao, pag meron silang nabibili, pag meron silang nagagawa, and talagang masaya siya, super worth it po lahat ng pagod po. Ayun yung experience ko po.
Thank you so much, Kian.
So, Miss Kat, ano po yung mga events na ilulook forward po namin today?
Hi! Madami ko yung dapat abangan here at Quad Sundown. Meron kaming mga flea market and meron ding mga art workshop here like flower arrangement, haziwar, and crochet. Meron din ditong free kulitan, guys.
Ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara, let's go! We're back here sa Quad, guys.
Hi,
And
guys.
now, interviewin natin si ate. Hello po, kamusta po kayo today?
Okay lang naman po. Very, very nice.
And ate, what's your name and your business name po?
So, my name is Erilyn po and my business name is AE Craft po.
So, what's the background of your business po, ate?
Yung background naman ng business ko is nagsimula lang naman talaga siya sa pure passion. Basta I love crochet. Then napunta na siya sa pagbi-business.
Ngayon po na nandito po kayo sa Quad Sundown, how's the experience so far po?
Ayun, sobrang okay kasi yung mga participant ng workshop ko, very naman sila, very friendly sila, tsaka very fast learner yung mga naging student ko today. So, sobrang okay.
Ate, ano po yung highlight po ng business journey niya so far?
Yung pinaka-highlight ng business ko so far, kasi I'm, student working ako. So, kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-side hustle ko. sometimes, ano siya, nakakaalis siya ng stress sa akin. Hindi lang siya just sa business. Kasi parang, ginagawa ko every, crochet na tinitinda ko as my pure passion and talent. So, yun.
So,
That's
ayun.
good to know po, ate. And we're hoping na mas lumaki pa po yung business niya and mas lumago pa po to. And we'll feature po muna saglit yung mga
Yes po. Thank you so much
projects
po.
niya here. So cute! So, meron silang mga sojak signs dito, guys. And I massage. Ito siya. Thank you po. So we got a pink octopus and then a green one. Thank you po. So guys, ngayon pupunta tayo sa Fuzzy Wire Workshop. Uy! Sino yun? Nagka-fuzzy wire ka din, di ba?
Nag-fuzzy wire ako. Ang favorite kong ginagawa, rose. And hindi ko pa nata-try yung tulips. So, I might try it.
So guys, we're here to
Hi, guys.
interview the kuya behind Kulitan. Hello po.
Hello,
What's your name po, kuya?
my name is Jessica Tolentino.
What's your inspiration po behind sharing Kulitan po?
Not inspiration, pero yung fire na gusto kong may share yung kultura. Kasi as long as there's someone sharing, mabubuhay itong fire na to. Then if someone neglect this culture, paunti-unti nang mawawala. Kagaya ng Kapampangan language itself. What more pa itong writing system? Nakakaunti na lang talaga yung nagsusulat.
Siyempre sir, yung Kulitan is a dying script or language. Yung Kapampangan is a dying language today. We have to accept the fact, sir. What is driving fire na yun, sir? To share or ano yung mga ways on how you share yung mga ganitong cultures, sir?
For example, ito na lang paglalatag. Actually, di lang ganito eh. For example, mga art exhibits namin sa mga mall. During the exhibits, nag-offer din kami or ako ng mga free kulitan. Then I also offer free workshops para may turo itong mismong writing system. Recently yan, may gallery kami, art gallery, malapit lang sa Santa Rosario beside Starbucks. So sa likod lang ng Nepo Mall. So may gallery kami doon, pwede kayo pasyal. Going back, tuturo, in-offer ito for free kasi you don't sell the culture eh. You share it. Na hanggang kumalat, hanggang mabuhay na mabuhay talaga.
We admire your courage and yung advocacy nyo po. Thank you so much po for continuing Kulitan calligraphy,
Thank
sir.
you po
so
for
much
sharing this type of art and culture din
Yes,
po, sir.
sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thanks so much po. This is my name, guys, in Kulitan calligraphy.
We're here ngayon sa flower workshop.
Workshop flowers. Pero ako yung pinakamagandang bulaklak.
Ay, siya. Bulaklak.
Push.
Hi. Uy, sino yun? Uy, sino yun? Hi.
Long. I am your
I am your masigasig na photographer
Yeah.
for today's video. Yeah. So for today's episode ay pinaubaya ko muna kayo, kina Jeline at ang ating newest, fresh na po, baby Reniel. Alright, good luck sa inyong dalawa, kaya ngayon.
See you around po!
See you around, sir. Bye-bye.
Sino kaya yung makakasalunong kiss na yun? Libot mo na ulit tayo, guys.
Hi guys!
Ay guys, so photo booth kami. At yun na nga, paggabi na, and ang hangin na ngayon sa quad.
Mahangin
And-
sa quad.
And that's how Nepo babies end their day, with a bang. And truly, this is a sundown we can all remember. And Reniel, how was your experience so far?
It's a bit windy out here, no? Pero I really enjoy it. Alam mo yung favorite part ko is, or yung pinaka-experience ko is yung, alam mo si Sir Jaska, yung nagsusulat ng Kapampangan. Na-inspire ako sa kanya kasi ang sabi niya, sulat Kapampangan is for free. So hindi siya nagbenta talaga. Yung kulitan writing niya or yung calligraphy niya is for free. And I truly admire that kasi 'di ba, when culture and arts combined, hindi mo talaga, it's priceless, 'di ba?
Yeah.
And it's one for the books talaga yung experience na to, guys. So,
Yeah.
ikaw naman, ano yung favorite part mo, Jeline, for today's episode?
Akin, yung favorite part ko today was yung beginning ng video because konti-konti natin nakilala yung mga people behind our event sa Nepo Center and truly nakaka-proud silang lahat. And sobrang privileged din kami na we get to work with them and we get to know them. And I think we can truly say na they're our family.
Yes, of course.
At talagang na-enjoy natin ang Quad Sundown today. And sana yung mga Nepo babies na nanonood din, nag-enjoy din kayo. And that's it for today's video. And we hope na you continue to support our local businesses and our community so that it will thrive.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this YouTube video. And of course, follow us on our Facebook page at Nepo Center and our TikTok account at nepo.tv. And this has been your fresh na Nepo baby, Reniel.
And your makulit na Nepo baby, Jeline.
Kita-kits sa next episode!
Woo!